In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Order Unsuccessful on AliExpress. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser and search for AliExpress. When the results load, make sure you click the official link. Look for the secure padlock icon and the correct domain to avoid any lookalike sites or ads that could send you somewhere else. Once you're on the homepage, move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over the account area. A small menu should appear. From there, click the Sign In button and log into your account so you can access your payment settings. After you're signed in, hover over the account section again in the top right. This time, navigate to the payment area. You'll find it in the left-hand sidebar menu. This page shows the payment methods saved to your account. Find the card on file that might be causing the issue. Remove that card, then add a new one. When you add the card, enter the details exactly as they appear on the card and double-check the number, expiry date, and security code before saving. Once the new card is added, go back to your cart or order page and try placing the order again. Next, confirm that the billing address you typed into AliExpress matches the exact address your bank has on file for that card. Match the street number, apartment or unit, city, and postal code perfectly. Even small differences in abbreviations or punctuation, like street versus ST, can trigger a mismatch. Use the same country and region formatting you see on your bank statements to reduce verification failures. If you're using a VPN, turn it off before you try again. A sudden shift in your IP address, especially to a different country or region, can make the system think the card is being used fraudulently. Keep your location consistent throughout the checkout process. Sometimes a glitch in temporary cookies or cached data can lock up your payment attempt. Open your browser settings and find the option to delete browsing data. Be sure to include cached images and files and cookies for at least the recent time range. Keep in mind that clearing cookies will sign you out of websites. After clearing, reopen AliExpress, sign back in, revisit the payment section if needed, and try reordering. Follow these steps in sequence. Sign in, manage your saved card, ensure your billing address is an exact match, disable any VPN, clear your cache and cookies, and then try the purchase again. These checks resolve most order unsuccessful messages and get your payment flowing smoothly.